Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about AVAX, Avalanche targets updates with my custom record set. I think this coin has potential to hit the new all-time high, and it's my last final stage for bull run. It's 166. 191. I don't think so the AVAX will hit the $200 this cycle. So last cycle, Avalanche performed pretty good one. We saw a lot of some news about also the EDF, some partnership, big partnership, AVAX. But like you can see, it's not put the price so high. That's why sometimes we need to reduce the expectations. Previous cycle, guys, this token performed like around 5,000% gains, right? It was a brilliant time, just to be honest. And this cycle is so disappointing, just to be honest, guys. And if we count from the 27 zone, this zone is still relevant. AVAX performed at 636%. It's not even close to the previous gains. And if we hit 191, it's going to be only 2,000% gain. So it's kind of weird, right? But yes, I think in the next few years, if the tokens will survive during this next bear market, I mean, the market will become the less volatile. You know, it will be like not with that crazy percentage gains. Of course, some fresh new tokens will perform, but not the old one. So we can't expect from for example, Ethereum, some 50x. No. Take a look if we extend the lines. I count, this is a top from February 21. Here's a top, correction, 27 block. This level is still relevant. And we landed back to this level after the year, consolidate, test till penny, the 27 level, bounce it to first level, and now consolidate around 23. So I don't think so. We will drop again to $12.50, $8.86. I don't think so. I'm in AVAX, but you know, I'm waiting to out of the withdraw my initial deposit. So probably I will out around $45-50 per AVAX. Maybe a little bit earlier. Maybe I'm not weighted 100%. You know, and I want to leave the free tokens. Of course, if even you in like I did at around $20. So here it's in positive cases can be like 731%, but it's kind of risky one. It's definitely risky because if we will drop, it can be like 38% down to the zone of accumulation again. So technically, you know, AVAX looks good. If we zoom out here, we close this monthly gap. Of course, not a full fill like I wish to see here. This is a monthly gap, and we drop to almost 61. Sweep liquidity, hold line 0.5 and go higher. So why we have to drop again? I don't know. You know, the problem with the AVAX, if we will not, hit the new all-time high, in the next bear market, we can dump even to $4. So this is what I don't like. I don't like this monthly gap. Technically, we close also like 38, but not 0.5. So that's kind of a little bit scary for me. Because if, for example, we just hit 85, 125, the next bear market, we can dump to $4. All right, we will talk about in the next bear market if this token will survive, because I don't know. Now I focus only on here, this one. It's the next level. It's a full fill of this monthly gap, 31.87. The AVAX move pretty technical. So here. This is almost side 61. This is touch close to the body candle. So everything looks good. Here was a touch of 27. So based on my logic, you know, this FIB relevant, still relevant. The worst case scenario, guys, if it was the end of cycle, you know, and altcoins just dying from now, and everybody wrong about altcoin season, yes, but I don't think so. I think the market makers and by seasonality, they give us the chance to make money again, but a lot of people will stuck in tokens like they did in 2021. What I mean is stock. For example, the people ignore the token now. The tokens climb. Everybody's going to buy. People buying, they in profit, not fix the profit, token drop it down to their entry. Everybody say no, it's just a correction, bounce and go into the bear market, and they will stock forever in that tokens. This was a story from 2021. That's why, guys, we need to have an exit plan for every single token. So locally, I am waiting this one, 32. Before or after the Fed decision rate. Also, this is also K level, like 43, 42, 32, 33. It's a weekly gap, monthly gap. So it's like in a complex. Also, I waited the sweep of this high, 55. So, I'm more bullish now for AVAX. Of course, we got a like impulse, some consolidation, and we can drop even down. Yes, we got a chance all the time drop it down, but I don't think so, because we leave a lot of liquidity pools here, the gaps here at 0.5 level, so seasonality. So I'm more about upside move. Technically, we can see that they consolidate a little bit longer in this triangle. So $20 and go higher. Anyway, let's take a look, guys, with indicator set now. This is a distribution, like we are in the zone of distribution, not top of the top, but this is soon we will see the signals to out or fix some profit. Zone of accumulation being here June. After that, the warrants is September. Now we're at the top, but at the bottom on the price. It's kind of weird. So here, this is a direction. Accumulation. So the whales accumulate. Last time when we saw the same accumulation on a weekly time frame on AVAX, it was here. It was September 2023. After that, we pump like 600% around. So if we will pump from now 600%, yes, it's gonna be the good one. This one, $125 per AVAX. So based on ADZ, also on the monthly time frame, this is not a time to hour. This is just a middle line. That's why I wish to see on AVAX and time to out 100%, even with my free tokens at this top. This is disbelief on a monthly. It's good. It's good because it's for a long run, guys. For the spot, I'm talking about a spot. Futures, of course, we have to use on the daily. Daily, if we open for the trades now, here, definitely, guys, this is a stop loss like 26.76, 27.36. So it's more attractive to liquidate this, guys, and skyrocket to 35, for example, or $40. This is not a time to sell. Time to sell for correction. Local one was here, June. This is accumulation in June at $15. What I don't like the market cover, kind of overhype it on markets more on a daily. But anyway, I repeat again, if we'll see some pullbacks, it can be just extended in time triangle, that one what we can form for the upside move. Let's check now the most important, what I would like to see. It's a take profit, guys. Here, the buy line now it's $14.73. I don't think so. We will crash it down to that levels because it will be over than 50%. But we can. Technically, also, we already format that double bottom, even the cap and handle, you can call it whatever you want, right? So the size of that double bottom now is directly 0.5 level by FIB. So here, you can count approximately here, around like this one. So $40, it's the next step. 35, $40, it's the next step for AVAX. It's a weekly time frame. We already tested, almost tested fundamental value. Hold the line here and go higher. We can't see, yes, technically we can consolidate one more year, for example, but we can't know. That's why, based on seasonality, guys, I'm waiting this touch going over the exit line and skyrocket to the main targets. So this is it. Also, if someone love the trend lines here, this is a hypothetical trend line on AVAX. Extended lines right and mark like on this one. So the trend line now is around $44.65, and would be good to see the take profit, some reaction, pullback, break. I don't know, it's kind of hard to say by timing. Retest and go ahead. Yes, so this is what I wish to see for AVAX. Money power. Money outflow being here in November 24. Now no money outflow, and it's kind of weird, guys. Why? Because take a look, the November 24, we've been here at 47 and 55, and now we almost at the same level. Got blessed with our money outflow, but at $26. This cycle is so disappointing, guys. All of old patterns doesn't work. AVAX bulls targets 46 as a K, barriers false, drives by DAX, trading bots. Also, I don't like with Avalanche one thing. They try to join the meme coins. You remember that Gecko? I lost the money with that meme coins. The Kimbo, I guess, what the token. And on Trader Joy, I traded that meme tokens, and we didn't see the hype with the meme coins on AVAX. Yes, unfortunately. That's why the AVAX is not that type of story like a Sol. Nobody buying the AVAX like Sol to trade to generate the fee for Avalanche. Based on trade on indicator, sell, buy back. That's why I mark the zones. So at $35, $40, probably I will fix my initial deposit and wait to the higher targets. Of course, everybody dreaming, to buy here and wait right to the moon. But guys, I know we need to work with risk management, money management. Because the first goal, personally for me, it's safe initial deposit. After that, increase it. So in this way. So a weekly time frame, I showed you the trade on daily, buy, sell, buy back, sell, buy back. So it's hard to say, should we break the 27? I think yes. That's why, guys, the target is relevant. Let's mark this trend line, like this one, and more bold here. So this is what I wish to see retest. So let's add alert to this area, and this is a target. If you want to open futures trade, I'm not recommend you, guys, because here 14% drop. It's only sweep of $22 with the risk ratio like 15% against 74. So with second leverage, like 30% against 150. So up to you. I'm not trade this type of stories with the futures. So guys, write us in the comment, what do you think about Avalanche? If you'd like to trade with my customer, like I said, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.